Hey guys, welcome to Everything iOS. Today we got sort of an interesting unboxing. It's the iPhone 12 blue 120GB, so the basic model. But I've had to do it a little differently. I'm not at home. I can't travel home at the moment because of the COVID. So where it's been delivered, I am not at that address at the moment. So what I've done is somebody who is at that address has recorded the unboxing, which I have had now sent to me, and I've got it on the iPad here. So I'm going to watch it, you're going to watch with me, and we're going to see how this type of unboxing goes. I don't think I've seen any kind of unboxing like this before, where we're experiencing it for the first time. But like I said, still haven't felt that physical device yet. I have an iPhone 12 Pro on order, but I wasn't quick enough, guys, and I still gotta wait up to 2 weeks for me to receive that device, which is a bit gutting. But let's have a look. Let's see what we do. We gotta watch this video together. Okay. Oh, well, that's one little mistake. I'll be right back, guys. And I'm back, guys. Sorry about that. It wasn't actually on the iPad, but it's here now, so problem solved. Let me just turn the brightness up there. Right, so I'm going to be talking over the video, guys. Your video is going to be on your screen, the exact same video I'm watching. So I'll talk you through, well, what I told him to do for me. And we'll go through, and I just, well, I don't really know, guys. This is the first time I've done it this way, so let's just see how it goes. So let's dive right in. So right now, see, we got the typical seal, guys. We'll just peel that away. You can see, guys, straight off, you can see the size of the box. Straight away, you can see the size of the box is dramatically smaller than the current ones, and we all know the reason for this, guys. It's all to do with the environment and them going totally global. But whoa, guys, what a color that is. That is a lovely blue. It's not exactly the same blue that shows up on the Apple website or on contractors, but that's some really nice blue. As you can see, guys, it's nice. It's got the dual cameras there. I'm not going to dive into specs or anything, guys. This is just a basic unboxing because I haven't physically got my hands on it. So let's see. Yes, pulled it off. You got to use a bit eager with that one. I mean, there's a few things I wanted to talk about with that sticker, but it's just got to show you where the buttons are and things like that. So bottom, guys, the blue on the side is very nice. You can see it's attracting dust pretty quick, guys. Maybe it's just a bit of statically charged from sitting back. So let's go for the cable. And as you can see, guys, this is a lightning end to a USB-C. Let's just show you guys here. Let me just put this phone down a minute. Right, look at that, perfect timing. As you can see, USB-C, and there's no plug in the box, guys. So I'm going to pause the video here. So it doesn't bother me. I think it's good that it probably is millions of plugs out there which are just thrown into landfill, but I don't think it's USB-C ones that's been thrown out. So it's not fully certain problem, because the USB plugs that are out there are still out there. I know no more is being made, but Apple could have just, I think, gone through one more cycle of providing a plug. So more of the customers, you know, the loyal customers, because if they come in from, you know, an older device, like a 6 or an 8, you know, or even an XS, a 10S, you know, the XR, all these come with a USB type B, you know, the standard industry USB. And now they've took the plug away but provided a different type of cable, which is a bit people are not happy with this, but it doesn't bother me because I've got 11 Pro and that come with a USB-C charging brick, so I'm one of the fortunate ones that's got one anyway. But they're not expensive if you want to buy one from Apple, of course, guys. They're expensive, but there are plenty of third-party options out there. It does have the wireless charging, so you know. But and then again, if you want the fast wireless charging, I think that's going to require a USB-C cable anyway. So you still need that plug, but hopefully if you buy a wireless charger, it's going to come with that plug, guys. So let's just carry on with the unboxing. So let's have a little look at this little pocket thing here. Again, all reduced in size, guys. And if you haven't seen the iPhone SE unboxing yet, excuse me, guys, I do say a little something about the number of Apple stickers provided in the box. I put a link to the iPhone SE in one of the corners around about here somewhere. And I do make a little joke about they could cut down on the stickers if they really wanted to save the environment. But I say they do. But yeah, there's that blue, guys. It's quite a dark navy, almost like a royal navy. And the sides end a little darker. The sides of the phone is almost pushed to a space grey. So there it is, guys. That's pretty much it. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you again. Like I said, I got the iPhone 12 Pro coming, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell icon. I appreciate all your support, guys. Look out for more upcoming videos as I'm hoping to bring them to you more regularly. I'm going to do an iOS 14 update one. I haven't brought an iOS 14 video out yet, just because I thought I'd wait for the new phone that comes out and review iOS 14 on the latest devices. So as soon as I get it up and away, guys, well, delivery I'm waiting on, we'll be up and away, guys, bringing you more content. So thanks for tuning in, guys, and catch you again.